Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station. If you could please respond to 185 Drummond Street. We have a caller advising her CO alarm is going off. She's experiencing no symptoms. There is also a faulty hot water tank on scene that is leaking water. Could possibly be a faulty CO alarm due to the water leakage. Again, that's 185 Drummond Street for a CO alarm. Time of first page, 12:24:06. Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station. If you could please respond to 185 Drummond Street. We have a caller advising that her CO alarm is going off. She also is experiencing a faulty hot water tank. There is water leaking from the tank, possibly causing the CO alarm to sound. There are no symptoms on scene. All occupants are evacuating. Again, that's 185 Drummond Street, cross streets of Queen Street and Gypsy Lane. Time of second page for Blyth Fire is 12:25:21.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Blyth Station, and you can also mark car 3 responding.
That's Roger, car 3. You're responding and acknowledging page for Blyth Station, 12:25:52.
Dispatch, you can show car 3's on scene. Nothing showing.
That's Roger, car 3. You're on scene. Nothing showing. It's 12:27:05.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark car 3's command and mobile. I've got an all clear on the structure. Made contact with the homeowner.
That's Roger, I copy car 3. You're going mobile. You got an all clear on the structure. You made contact with the homeowner. It's 12:30:44.
Fire dispatch, call engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Show engine 6 responding to Drummond Street with car 1 plus 3 belted.
That's Roger, I copy engine 6 responding with car 1 plus 3 belted, 12:51:11.
Engine 6, command.
Go ahead for 6.
6, just come up Gypsy Lane and then turn east onto Drummond, as this is where the road work is, or the water main leak is.
Copy that. Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 at scene.
That's Roger, engine 6 here on scene is 12:32:39.
Go ahead, car 1, this is command. Confirm that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, just for an update, crew did gas monitoring on the structure, 0 readings in the structure. We've got a flooded basement due to a broken water main on the road, and it's killed all the equipment in the basement.
That's Roger, I do copy. Crew did gas monitoring. I found 0 readings. Broken water main on the road and basement is flooded. It's 12:38:08. Fire dispatch, command.
Go ahead, dispatch for command.
Has the water main broken been reported to OPP that you know of? Was it recent or is it an ongoing issue?
Water main broke earlier this morning. Contractor on site with Veolia trying to deal with the broken water main at this time. Was OPP involved? Not that I'm aware of. No.
That's Roger, thank you. I just wanted to confirm there was somebody on scene that knew of the water main break. I appreciate it.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
Dispatch, after further investigation, we do believe that the problems here are due to the water main leak on the road next to the residence. That's caused the flooding and caused the snuff out. Right now, we're doing installing a new CO detector.
That's Roger, I do copy. The alarm issues were due to a possible water leak. You're installing a new CO alarm. It's 12:45:02.
Fire dispatch, call engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Engine 6 has been released from the scene and will be returning to Blyth Station.
That's Roger, I copy. Engine 6, you've been released from scene. You're returning to station. It's 12:55:56. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. If you could please respond to 90540 London Road. It'll be the master feeds for a general fire alarm. Zone 6, fire sprinkler flow with 2 hits. Again, that's 90540 London Road. For a general fire alarm, it'll be the master feeds. Time of first page for Wingham Station, 13:01:11. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. If you could please respond to 90540 London Road. It'll be the master feeds for a general fire alarm in Zone 6. Fire sprinkler flow, 2 hits, key holders pending. Again, that's 90540 London Road, the master feeds for a general fire alarm. Cross streets of Bach Line and Quinanon Road. Time of second page for North Huron Fire, Wingham Stations, 13:02:16.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Wingham Station.
That's Roger. I do copy. Car 3, you're acknowledging page. I have an update when you're ready to copy.
Go ahead for update, dispatch.
That's Roger. The alarm company just called back. They advised they spoke with a person on site, advising that the panel was frozen and that it was just a false alarm. They're requesting cancellation.
Confirm that, dispatch. Frozen panel, key holder on scenes requesting cancellation page. You can do a single cancellation page to Wingham Station, please.
That's Roger. Car 3, you're requesting a singular cancellation page. It's 13:03:38. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. This will be a cancellation page for 90540 London Road. Again, this is a cancellation page. Key holder on site advised it was just a false alarm. Again, units responding can stand down from 90540 London Road. Time of cancellation page, 13:04:05.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Drummond Street Command.
Drummond Street Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, do you want to mark this call as terminated? Residences or the occupants being left with the residents. All clear. Returning to Blyth Station.
That's Roger. Command, I copy. The call's been terminated. The home has been left with the resident. You're all clear and returning. It's 13:06:07.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, do you want to put Blyth Station back in service and download that call when you have time, please?
That's Roger. Blyth Station back in service. Break fire dispatch to Wingham Hall. Are you back in service as well?
Car 3 to dispatch, yes, Wingham Station back in service as well.
That's Roger. I'm copying Blyth and Wingham Station back in service. It's 13:07:25. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Car 3, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1, car 3.
Yeah, OPP called me on my cell phone. They went and verified that false alarm at Masterpiece.
Confirm that. Thank you.